Okay. Good morning for the lecture. Today I will demonstrate my mobile application. This application named is Exploring AI, which is designed to educate the users about AI, about AI and about AI technology and collect their feedback. So, for the interface, again. So this is about the interface. The interface, I have introduction what is AI for the user and how does the AI work and about the benefits of AI for the user. So how does AI work? If the user will need about more about the AI, how does the AI work? They can click it. So they will know about the AI code technology, about the code technology, about their concepts, about their analogy and real example. Also, they also can view the video. If they want to know about the machine learning,
This is a
they can
3.
view the machine learning
It's sloppily
video
written
inside
and
the
rendered at an
text.
extremely low resolution.
Ever
Definitely.
wondered how
28 by
Google
28
translates an
pixels.
But your
entire
brain has
web
no
page
trouble
to a different
recognizing
language
it
in a
as
matter
visual.
of seconds?
And I want you
Or
to take
your
a
phone
moment to
gallery
appreciate
groups
how
images
crazy it is
based
that
on their
brains can do
location.
this so
All of
effortlessly.
this is a
And go back to the index page. So for the last one is about the surveys page. So about the survey page, they can click me, so they can turn into the page of user surveys. So they can write out their name, they can write out their email, they can write their experience level, and how often they using the AI and which AI area they think is interesting for themselves. And they also can write out the comment. For example, thank you. So after this, if they finish it, they can click submit. Okay. But if they don't want to pass the submit the survey page, they don't want to submit the page, they also can go back to the interface. Okay, the second one I need to about what the frameworks I using for this project. So for the framework I using for this project is framework 7. It combined with the Monaca development environment. For the what's the advantage for this framework? Because it can let this project look like native and feel. For example, because it's provided pure UI component like navigation bars, list, and full input, they automatically can adapt to look like native iOS of Android apps. So it also can handle the page transition and animation seamlessly using the only HTML class without requiring any custom JavaScript. But what's the weakness for this project is the main weakness for this project is its trained HTML structure. For example, to render a simple list without the balance place, the framework forces you to use a very specific hierarchy of netted divider and UL tests. But I think the framework server is suitable for my project. This because it was perfect because it allowed me to build a highly interesting professional mobile UI right tracking and handling to the requirement of not writing any custom JS. So for the second one is about the requirement for this assignment. For the requirement for the assignment, we need to do the slow apple table. So this is about the slow apple table. I implement a horizontally scroll apple table combining AI model. I achieve this by wrapping the table in a container with overflow as order and setting a midwife. The second one is embedded video. For the video, I open the AI farm, the second page. The iframe in a responsive container with padding border. So VDC play 25% to maintain a perfect 79 aspect ratio on any device size. Last one is about the front element. The front elements of this server page are include 6 different input types. For example, text input, email input, a certain drop down, radio buttons for frequency the user, how often they use the AI, and chat boxes for which areas they are interested. For example, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. And last, I like the text area for the comments. So all started perfectly using the framework 7 input classes. And then for the last one is for this old project, I use star CSS. I use Clover CSS styling. Later than inserting the breakout image into every single HTML file, I decided to apply it globally to the place class in my star CSS. By setting breakout site, cover, and breakout attachment features are ensuring the breakout remains completely static and fills the screen, while the strawberry page content allows the text to load over its body. This is a very common partition in native app design. Another one is I leveraging classes over JS. A major challenge was making this project is making elements interactive without JS. For example, my user server page, the button is actually an HTML across a text. By applying the framework several classes, button field, and button launch, I transformed a standard hyperlink into a touch-friendly mobile button with native liberal efforts. Similarly, by wrapping my off-device class equivalent list, the framework automatically travel away the default HTML button place and apply mobile standard load dividers. That's all. Thank you.